Hello there, bit of a skincare Saturday today with a look at Olio e Osso's range of skincare products. If you're new to my channel, I'm a big fan of Olio e Osso's tinted lip and cheek balms. That's how I discovered the brand a couple of years ago. If you're not new to my channel, sorry, you already know I'm obsessed with them. Olio e Osso very kindly got in touch with me late last year after seeing one of my videos and offered to send me their skincare products to try. So after a bit of testing, I'm pleased to share them with you too. There's an oil cleanse, finishing oil, pre-shave oil, and 2 multi-purpose balm jars. I'm relatively new to the world of oils. I'm prone to spots around my chin, so I'm always a bit hesitant to introduce too much oil in that area, but I've been really pleased with these products so far. Of course, skincare products are incredibly personal choices, and I can only speak on behalf of my normal to dry face. There are plenty of cleansing oils on the market, but if you're after an all-natural option, enter the Olio e Osso Oil Cleanse with apricot, sweet almond, and olive oils. Whoops, oil spill. Pleasantly surprised by how soft my face felt after using this. You can use a full or half dropper and massage around your face. I always feel like my skin looks more vibrant if I apply medium pressure. This formula will also help take off your makeup for you. So place a hot, wrung out flannel over your face, and as it cools down, wipe your face and repeat until the oil is all gone. I had a good feeling about their finishing oil and I wasn't wrong. It's super light, hydrating, and glowy results. You only need 4 to 5 drops, warmed in the palm of your hand, then massaged onto your face and neck. I've also been a bit cheeky and applied this as a body oil too, and I really like how quickly it absorbs. I'd been really interested to try their pre-shave oil. I'd been finding the Glossier Body Hero Daily Oil Wash great to shave with recently, and this has been no different. There's something so smooth about shaving your legs with oil instead of normal body wash. You can be quite generous with this product. Smooth as much as you need onto clean limbs and shave away for hydration as you go. Then there are their 2 balm jars. These are jumbo versions of their famous balms. Number 0 or naught, Netto, is my favourite. This is a natural menthol cold relieving balm with eucalyptus oil. It's perfect to smooth onto your chest, nose, and even lips in the depths of winter. Sorry about everyone in the Northern Hemisphere right now. This will help clear congestion in your tubes. Olio also say it even soothes sore muscles. Number 1, Clear, is their original multi-purpose product. Don't worry if it looks a bit solid at first. That's just a natural top that forms on the balm. So warm it up with your fingers to reveal the shea, olive, and grapefruit oils and natural beeswax lurking below. Great multitasker for lips, dry skin, eczema, cuticles, even eyebrows and hair. Don't let your partner steal it for their beard because it does that too. As I mentioned before, Olio e Osso's star attraction are their tinted balms. I love using these on my lips and cheeks almost every morning. There's such a nice range of pretty pastel colours that apply a sheer wash of colour. I hope you enjoyed hearing more about this Portland-based brand, and a big thank you to the Olio e Osso team for generously sending me these products. Very much appreciated. Let me know if there are any other skincare or makeup companies you'd like to see in a brand review soon. See you next time!